A garden is a place where we grow plants, flowers, fruits, and vegetables. They are beautiful and help us feel happy and relaxed. Importance of plants. 1. They give us oxygen to breathe. 2. They give us food like fruits and vegetables. 3. They give us wood to build houses and furniture. 4. They give us shade on hot days. 5. They make the earth green and beautiful. Basic gardening tools. Number 1. Watering can. Use. Giving water to plants. 2. Trowel. Use. Planting small plants and digging small holes. 3. Spade. Use. Digging soil. Safety. Hold it carefully, don't swing it around. Number 4. Rake. Use. Cleaning dry leaves and leveling the soil. 5th. Gloves used to protecting hands while gardening. Thank you.